Hi, I'm Chitranshu and I'm here to talk about my favorite topic, dreams. कौन से ड्रीम्स? वही जो आप रात को सोते हुए देखते हो, जिसमें आप बादलों से नीचे गिर रहे होते हो? नहीं. I'm here to talk about the dreams which you see from your eyes wide open. Ironically for me, the both dreams look exactly the same. And I have not achieved all of my dreams and I'm still pursuing so many. But today is very special because coming here on TEDx was one of my dreams. It's funny how universe works its magic in mysterious ways. I mean, I think if you are true to yourself, if you're true to your dream, then universe will guide you towards your dreams. Today, I'm going to read you a book of my dreams. Let's start with the first chapter. I grew up in the small town of Rajasthan, Baswara. एंड बचपन में तो मैंने ये सोचा था कि मैं बड़ा होकर साइंटिस्ट बनूंगा, पर 10th में जब केमिस्ट्री मेरे सर के ऊपर से गई तो आई थॉट भाई क्या करना है, एंड आई टुक अ ईयर ब्रेक जस्ट टू डिसाइड विच सब्जेक्ट आई वांट टू टेक. एंड माई मदर वॉज अ स्कूल प्रिंसिपल एंड माई डैड वॉज अ गवर्नमेंट इंजीनियर. सो इट वॉज मेड वेरी क्लियर टू मी दैट जो करना है खुद करना है और कुछ तो करना ही है. एंड after my 12th, I went to Nainital with my friend, and that trip changed everything because I saw the mountains for the first time, and I felt this huge rush of excitement. And I thought, oh my God, mountains have this way of making you feel that all the things that you worry about are so small and insignificant. Then and there, I fell in love with traveling. और मैंने ये सोचा कि life में travel तो करना ही है. So while my other friends were deciding to become a CA or a doctor or IAS officer, I thought I want to be successful so that I could achieve my dreams, which were more than just a degree. And I don't come from a wealthy background. And मेरी तो कोई फैमिली में दूर दूर तक इंडिया से बाहर ही नहीं गया है. तो मुझे लगा मुझे पूरी दुनिया देखनी है, हर कंट्री में जाना है, तो एटलीस्ट आई हैव टू बी मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल इन माई फैमिली. And I'm so grateful to my late mother because she taught me the value which is so close to my heart. That is willpower. I think willpower can make you achieve any dream. If you have strong willpower, it will open doors, it will spark planning, and it will generate hard work. So I think how bad do you want your dreams really matter. And coming on to the next chapter, which is coffee-infused dreams. I think motivation can come from the most unexpected ways. कोई EDM सुनता है यहाँ पे, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डांस म्यूजिक? या आई एम श्योर मैनी ऑफ यू डू. सो आई हर्ड दिस सॉन्ग बाय डेविड गेटा लॉन्ग बैक, वर्क हार्ड प्ले हार्ड, एंड व्हेन आई हर्ड द लिरिक्स इट जस्ट स्ट्रक द राइट कोड, एंड आई थॉट चित्रांशु ये तो करना ही है. आई मीन आई एम गोना बी दैट गाय हु वर्क्स रियली हार्ड और जर्नी को भी उतना ही ज़्यादा एंजॉय करना है. And in order to be successful, I becoming a CA was important to me at that particular point of time. And let me tell you one thing, journey to becoming a CA was not easy. I mean, I'm grateful that I'm a CA today, but सुबह से शाम तक ट्यूशन, दिन भर आर्टिकलशिप, and कोई college life नहीं थी, and then we had to go just study. And by the end of CA final, I knew that I hated it so much कि अगर मैंने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में CL क्लियर नहीं किया, सो आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू इट. एंड आई कट माई सेल्फ ऑफ फ्रॉम सोशल मीडिया, दोस्तों से दूर हो गया, एंड आई इवन चेंज माई एड्रेस एंड आई मूव टू अ न्यू एड्रेस एंड आई डिड नॉट टेल माई फ्रेंड्स. आई वॉज जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन माई स्टडीज. एंड इन वन ऑफ दोज हैवी इवनिंग्स आई went with my CA friend to a place called Statue Circle in Jaipur, which is famous for coffee, by the way. So we took coffee and we went on the side of the road and we sat down and we started talking कि भाई लगता तो नहीं है कि हम लोग CA कर पाएंगे, but imagine what if we do it. Where do you think we are going to go and celebrate? So we looked at each other and we thought, okay, if we do it, we are going to go and celebrate it in Tomorrowland. And we got back home and we started preparing for our exams and we cleared CA. And we kept on to our promise and we went to Tomorrowland. And it was absolute magic. I think that's the thing about dreams, right? pairing your wildest dreams with your most stressful dreams can somehow work. I think dreams, they just snowball. And once I completed my one dream, I set my sights on another. And in the next chapter of my life, CA हो गया, तो जॉब लग गई, जॉब से छुट्टी ली, थोड़े पैसे बचाए, and I started exploring the world. I went to Belgium, I did a road trip from Paris to Barcelona, and I did a solo trip in Prague and Berlin. Back in 2017, when Instagram was just about pictures and no one had heard of influencers. So without creating any content, I was just traveling and exploring the world. पर CA की वजह से जो मैंने कॉलेज लाइफ सेक्रीफाइस की थी, मैं उससे बिल्कुल नहीं भूल पा रहा था. एंड यूरोप जाके जो फील हुआ वो भी दिमाग में चल रहा था. सो आई थॉट आई वांट टू गो एंड स्टडी एंड हैव एक्सपीरियंस माई कॉलेज लाइफ. एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई थॉट अबाउट डूइंग एन MBA फ्रॉम अब्रॉड, एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया केम टू द पिक्चर. नाउ टू फंड माई abroad dream, I went to my dad and I pitched him this idea. Dad, let's start a real estate business because he is a civil engineer. और पापा से ये डील हुई that if my plan makes him money, then he is going to finance my MBA. And then my willpower to go to Australia and my desire got me my first successful business, which was construction of houses. And इस बीच में मैंने एग्ज़ाम दिया, कॉलेज में एडमिशन भी हो गया, एंड आई वेंट टू नॉर्वे एंड आई वेंट टू नॉर्वे टू सी नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स एंड इट वाज ब्यूटीफुल. इट वाज वन ऑफ माय ड्रीम्स एंड कोई साथ में जाने को तैयार नहीं था, तो मैं अकेले चला गया. एंड देन आई मूव टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड आई एक्सपीरियंस माई कॉलेज लाइफ विच वाज ब्यूटीफुल. एंड विद द कॉलेज लाइफ आई ऑल्सो started doing a job, and then job से छुट्टी ली, 3 semester का break लिया, and I started seeing the world and I explored 28 more countries. And I noticed every time I came back from the vacation and when I was in office, I was thinking about going and I was waiting that when would I go and experience another vacation. And then I thought I want to do it more, and because I love telling my travel stories to people, I started telling my travel stories to people on social media, and with some luck, it worked. And I did not realize when did I want to leave Australia and just travel full time. Not that people in Australia were not amazing or I did not love my life there, but I wanted more. And that more was not just money. It meant freedom. So I left my corporate job and I came here. Coming on to the final chapter, which is also my favorite chapter, which is greed. Last year I started my own travel company, Core Memories Club, and I said goodbye to my corporate job. CA, MBA, 7 साल का decorated LinkedIn career and head of finance position. ये सब छोड़ने में डर तो बहुत लगा, पर धीरे धीरे ये समझ आ गया कि अगर कुछ करना है तो थोड़ा रिस्क तो लेना बनता है. कभी कभी ऑल इन भी करना पड़ता है. एक डिग्री, दूसरी डिग्री, फिर प्रमोशन, सैलरी इंक्रीमेंट, मैनेजर पोजीशन, डायरेक्टर पोजीशन. आई थॉट व्हाट एम आई इवन चेजिंग एनी मोर. इट वॉज सपोज टू बी अ बैकअप, राइट? एंड टू मी माई ड्रीम्स वर मोर देन जस्ट सक्सेस. एंड आई थिंक इट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप आस्किंग योर सेल्फ दिस क्वेश्चन. What are your dreams? What sets your soul on fire? And what sparkles your eyes? What ignites fire within you? Because I think success puts blinkers onto our eyes. And true happiness, the feeling of being alive, feeling of being completely in the moment, that kind of life comes when you spend your whole life just pursuing your dreams. And if you find yourself in the office or in the meeting or when you're having lunch thinking about your dreams, or even just the thought of your dreams excites you, then maybe the time has come for you to be with your dreams, not just while sleeping, but in the broad daylight with your eyes wide open. And I don't think there is anything called perfect timing. I mean, if you'll keep waiting for perfect resources or better time, you're never going to go there. So maybe take a leap of faith. क्योंकि हमें एक ही बार लाइफ मिलती है, तो कितना भी जस्टिफाई कर लो, इफ यू विल नॉट डेयर टू अचीव योर ड्रीम्स, मे बी समबडी एल्स वुड हायर यू टू अचीव देयर्स. तो एटलीस्ट ट्राई करना तो बनता है, so that when you grow old you will not have thoughts which starts with what ifs, what could have been, या शायद मैं वो कर लेता तो आज क्या होता. It's not like anybody's coming here at the end of your life to give you medals for your sacrifices. It's just one life. So dream it, do it, and have the courage to take the risk for you. Because trust me, you will look really good with that smile on your face that comes from this feeling that I have made it, I have achieved my dreams, and that smile will stay with you forever, because you know that you dared to achieve your dreams. You did not seek permission from anyone, and you went ahead and did whatever you wanted to do. My book is still ongoing, but I'm so glad that I got here and got to share these few chapters with you. Thank you.